very customer centric, right? The idea is to make it very easy, very dumb, extremely dumb, right? Like you have to make payment, then you scan the QR code, make couple of tasks, and that's pretty much it, right? And there is no regulation per se when it comes to fintech, because what fintech is doing is they're not doing the traditional banking. They are breaking down the banking functions. For example, lending, right? They'll break just lending and then they'll just come. Right? So guys, what I'm going to need from you is examples of fintech. What are the companies that you know in fintech? ATM. What else? Right, so let's categorize. Okay, let's categorize now. For wallets we have Paytm. For wallets we have Paytm, PayPal, right? Now you also mentioned Google Pay, right? Google Pay is built on UPI, right? That's again for payments. So we categorize it as payments, and then of course there is lending, right? So somebody mentioned here, I guess, lazy pay, right? So you must be seeing the new buzzword in fintech is buy now pay later. Simple. How simple is that? You have to pay for Zomato order, right? You don't have to do anything. Just a couple of taps and that's it. You don't even have to pay for the order, right? You have to pay it like later on, right? So that's how. So you see the ease is at the core of it, right? You just couple of taps, couple of seconds, and that's pretty much it, right? Your transaction is done. You are done. That's it.